Welcome! If you're a woman wondering about strength training, this video is for you. Strength training isn't just for bodybuilders. It offers countless benefits like increased muscle, bone health, and mental clarity. Let's dive into why it's crucial and how to get started. Why strength training is important for women. Builds lean muscle, boosts metabolism, and helps shape your body. Improves bone health, reduces osteoporosis risk by strengthening bones. Increases confidence. Strength training helps you feel stronger physically and mentally. Improves posture and mobility. Makes everyday tasks easier. Common myths. I'll get bulky. Not true. Women don't have enough testosterone to bulk up. Strength training is only for bodybuilders. Anyone can benefit. It's for overall health. Cardio is enough. You need both cardio and strength training for optimal fitness. How to get started. Start with bodyweight exercises, squats, lunges, and push-ups. Choose the right weights. Start light and increase gradually. Focus on form. Proper technique prevents injury. Incorporate compound movements. Squats, deadlifts, and rows target multiple muscles. Sample beginner routine. Squats, 3 sets of 12 reps. Push UPS, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 12 reps. Planks, hold for 30 to 45 seconds, 3 sets. Conclusion. Strength training is a game changer for women. It builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and improves overall health. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see the benefits. Call to action. Like and subscribe for more fitness tips. Comment below with your questions or ideas for future videos.